Khulumbaikha takuk te bukuk song te lam sogo anio channelo faidi chengtini nalinai Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education ni hoite ketal job notification faimani norok oro thangi nanamu chungka hanke type khaidi icfre.gov.in thangmani pore o page khuluk jangnai o jaga no kaisa option tongo recruitment seni o jaga click khaidi click khaimani pore chung nugui mano oro kaisa notification faijak faidi chungoro nailini obongkha notification Forest Research Center for Livelihood Extension Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education obongkha recruitment. An online interview will be conducted on the 19 July 2021 at 10:30 am at Forest Research Center for Livelihood Extension, Sal Forest Campus, Gandhigram, Agartala, Tripura West for appointment of the following. Takuk te bukuk song of online interview unai this Monday 19 July 2021 time rezaka 10:30 am nisini. Faidi chengtia banalai o project ni details engkha evaluation studies on contribution of NTFPS in state's economy of Tripura funded by NTFP Center of Excellence Tripura tai o job ni bagai qualification nangnai first class MSc in Botany, Forestry, Environment Science, Horticulture tai desirable rejangnai prior work experience of at least 6 months in relevant subject tai post ni bumongkha junior project fellow number of posts songkha kaini tai oboni bagi salary rejangnai 20,000 plus 8% HRA rejangnai tai oboni duration tongnai 12 months. Next post ni bumongkha project assistant oboni bagi qualification nangnai first class BSc in Botany, Forestry, Environment Science, Agriculture, Horticulture tai desirable rejangnai prior work experience of 6 months in the relevant field tai boni bagi salary rejangnai 19,000 per month vacancy tongo kaisano tai duration ga 12 months same project. Next post ni bumongkha data entry operator boni bagi qualification nangnai plus 2 in science desirable rejangnai 1 year work experience in DTP tai vacancy tongo kaisano tai salary rejangnai 15,000 tai boni bagi duration wa 12 months same project. Obongkha ta kaisa project bumong alka obongkha performance evaluation of implementation of CAMPA activities in Tripura year 2020-21 funded by state CAMPA Tripura tai o job ni bagai qualification nangnai first class BSc in Forestry, Botany, Agriculture, Environment Science desirable rejangnai 6 months experience in the relevant field. Post ni bumongkha project assistant tai vacancy tongo 4 tai salary rejangnai 19,000 tai duration ka 2 months tai chengtia banalai the posts are purely contractual, time bound and co-terminous with the projects. O job ni age limit ka 28 years as on January 1st 2021 relaxable up to 5 years for SC, ST and 3 years for OBC candidates and no TA, DA will be paid for attending the interview. Takuk te bukuk song o job ka purely contract basis job je kun some poro nongno terminal themano tai oboni bagai age no nangnai 28 years as on January 1st 2021 tai ST, SC ni bagai 5 years relaxable tongo tai 3 years tongo OBC candidate ni bagai tai jepur norogo interview ni bagai attend khane bagai boro kunu TA no rezagalak tai obongkha boni application form noni ro photo thebadi tai self attested khaidi tai o jaga no ni bo post ni bagi nor apply khane abonor tick mark ready tai project ni bumung soidi nini bumung soidi nini father ni mumung aboni pore nini date of birth ready aboni pore nini age ready as on 31st August 2019 result ko jaga aboni pore nung chala hai ke buri male female jaga tick mark khadi aboni pore marital status married hai ke married tick mark khadi unmarried ke baro tick mark khadi tai belongs to SC ST OBC ST jaga tick mark khadi address for communication ini address ready ini mobile number email ID tai ini permanent address ready jaga tai ini qualification jaga khai jotono ready ini college ini board university year of passing subjects division higher percentage mark tai specialization o jaga ngke tamsa are you under any contractual obligations to serve central state government any other public sector undertaking or autonomous body and if so give details takhokte bukhok songnor jodi kuno contract job rok khaitong hanke o jaga details ready abani pore NOC bobrok sano abonorok attach kharidi abon pore language ngakai norok je language saimamani abono tick mark khadi read write speak abani pore computer proficiency norok abo tick mark khadi je norok mamani abani pore name of the statistical analysis software if any ri tong khanke ba mention khaidi abani pore previous work experience nongni jodi experience to khanke abo mention khaidi tai je mention kemani documents to no logi ready tai abonka declaration nongni place date teni no jaga signature ready teni bumung ready aboni pore jongnogui mano general condition abonka the application should ensure that they satisfy and fulfill the following eligibility condition and certain the applicant must have provided his or her valid email ID mobile number in the application form to which online link for attending the interview shall be shared by the 18 July 2021 takhokte bukhok song noni email ID te phone number belekni important karon obo online nai through hoyto bani email ID hoyte phone ami mano aboni pore shikha je candidates working in government public sector undertaking autonomous organization must obtain a no objection certificate from their employer and submit it along with the application form takhokte bukhok song norok kuno jaga job khaitong khanke norok no objection certificate attach khai marne obligation ni logi tai under age limit 28 years tasing shaka aboni pore jonuka candidates are advised to submit the duly filled application form in the prescribed format along with self-attested copies of all the educational qualification experience certificate and other relevant documents not later than 10 AM to 5 PM of 17 July 2021 takhokte bukhok song jara o job ni bagi interest tonerok noni document jotno self attested khaidi khamen pore application form ni lagi attach khaidi bong office thange submit khaina manero before 17 July 10 AM to 5 PM final appointment shall be subject to verification and authenticity of original document takhokte bukhok song noni final appointment na jebur noni documents dog verification mani pore the recruitment is purely temporary and coterminous with the subject and does not guarantee subsequent employment in any institute centered under the council reng shaka tai obo sajak not DA payment khajagla canvassing in any form will lead to disqualification of the candidates takhokte bukhok song norongni jodi working time jodi kuno behavior rok ba kuno chayad no khanke borok any time no disqualification khamano only the shortlisted candidate who fulfill all the above eligibility condition shall be admitted for attending the online interview takhokte bukhok song nongni joto eligibility fulfill ama korona borok nongno shortlisted khainai takhokte bukhok song o job ni bagai ashokno তাই নরক যদি ইন্টারেস্ট দंखांखे নরক যদি এলিজিবল दंखांखे ও জবনি বাগে এপ্লাই খাইমানো তাই ননি সিনিজাক বড় ননো শেয়ার খাইদি ও ভিডিও যাতে বড় ও ইনফরমেশন মানথুম অল দ্য বেস্ট তাই তিন বাগে তাসনো খুলুমবাইকে বাই বাই